Hello, my name is Konkani Bakshi. I'm the Principal Business and Social Etiquette Consultant at Academie-The Luxury Finishing School in Mumbai. Today, we are hosting 2 days Advanced Business Etiquette and Corporate Grooming program. The way you give constructive criticism, it's really appreciated rather than saying the food is terrible. This program is targeted to young entrepreneurs, family business heir, and C-suite executives. I hope you enjoyed the program.
My experience at the Savoir Faire Academy workshop for the past 2 days has been a really enriching experience. I've learned many things, such as dining etiquette and how to conduct myself, appropriate conversation at the workplace, how to introduce myself, and among other things. And I've really enjoyed it, and I've been able to practice it as well, what I've learned on the second day of the workshop. And I'm really glad that I got to experience this. Thank you.
My name is Anita Singh. I have finished my Advanced Business Etiquette and Corporate Grooming program from Savoir Faire Academy. It was a very enriching experience. Thank you, Ms. Bakshi, for setting up such a wonderful session. And it was really learning and beyond my expectations.
I learned business communication, corporate grooming, and dining etiquette. And this has been a worthy investment in myself and in my business.